So those are some are the regular problems we are facing. So I am going to tell a problem. So you have to give a solution for me, right? Can you do that? Okay. So first